I can't learn physics. It's too tough. It's hard. I think it will take too much time. I am not capable of doing it. I am not intelligent enough to learn physics. This is just physics. What about quantum physics? Why I can't do it? Why is physics too tough for me? Sir is not explaining nice. He don't know how to explain. I think he might have a fake degree. Physics is too tough for me. I think my basics are too weak. I think I am not cut out for physics. Physics is out of this world. I think physics is not useful for me. Why should I learn physics? Why can't my university take physics out? Why physics? I have a long list of regrets and complaints. But my regrets and complaints is not going to solve my problem because exams will be there. I have to write the exam and pass. It's must. Unless and until I'm planning to drop out. But even if I drop out at some point in my life, I have to learn new things. So instead of complaining, what if I think, how can I learn new things? Learning physics is a challenge. Okay? And great leaders take challenges. And coward people just run away from them. You have to decide you are up for the challenge or you just plan to run away from the challenge. If you think you can't do it, you will never will. You never will. But if you think how you can do it, you might. Complaining about the problem will never solve the problem. Thinking about how you can solve the problem and taking some action might. Action is very much important, and if you change the way you think, if you change your mindset, you can change the whole world. For an example, my problem. I can't learn physics, it's too tough for me, my lectures are not good. I think I'm not having the correct study material. I have long list that why I can't do. But can I get a one single reason why I should do or how I can do? Yes, I have many, but I don't look for them. I focus on what I can't do. But what I actually should focus on is how can I do? In life, nothing is impossible. You should have your correct mindset of thinking that it is possible and it will be possible. There's a great quote from Mirza Muhammad Beg. It seems impossible until the time you think it is. Everything is impossible until the time you think it is. For an example, I hate physics. Now, physics is a challenge for me. I love challenges, and physics is a challenging subject. I can do physics. I am a big fan of Elon Musk. I am a big fan of Einstein. My mentors are Thomas Edison. I follow them. I don't follow a movie star. I follow big physicists, chemists, and mathematicians. I want to become a great scientist. I can learn new things. I can improve. If I am not having good basics, I have Google. I have many things. I have YouTube. I can just search for the terms. I can just search for the basics and I can learn them. I have my life, and till now I am alive. Until the time I am alive, I can do it. Right? If my lecturer is having a fake degree, then I don't suppose he could come up on the stage and teach. Okay? With the confidence in front of these many students. He can't teach to 120 to 300, or I don't know how many students he is teaching. At his old age, I don't suppose he could have come till here with a fake degree. Even if he is having a fake degree, he must have knowledge. Because he is having knowledge, that's why he is standing here and teaching you. That's why he is appointed. The person who was taking his interview was not a fool. These many students can understand what he is teaching, then why can't I? Okay? So, first of all, there is no fault in your teacher, there is a fault in you. You have to adapt your teachers, your lecturers, your mentors, and everyone. You have to grasp what they teach you. Everybody is a teacher for me. Someone teaches good things, someone teaches bad things. I have to decide what I have to take. So, first, clear out from your mind. Your teacher is not waste. You are a waste if you don't learn from him. It is not important that you learn from him only. You are having YouTube, you are having Google, you are having internet, you are having your own device, you are having time. The most precious thing. So there is no fault in a teacher. Okay? Just don't confuse yourself. Follow one thing. Don't go for 100 study materials, 100 books, but just read every book's first page. It is better to read one whole book than going for 10 different books. Going for 10 different study materials is waste. You can do it. It's not impossible, but one material, good material is enough for you. Okay? It's a textbook, that's also enough for you. It's a notebook, that is also enough for you if it's complete. Okay? You have to concentrate. Okay? If I concentrate, if I give extra time for physics, I think I can learn physics. If many students till now have learned them and become great scientists, why can't I? I also want to become a scientist. I also want to become a space scientist. I also want to work in NASA. I also want to build one SpaceX. I plan to become like Elon Musk. Why can't I learn physics? If Thomas Edison can do it, if Einstein can do it, why can't I? The thing is, I'm getting distracted. Why are you getting distracted? When you watch a movie, will you get distracted? Your brain is working at the same speed. If you are going for and seeing a drama or a show, will you get distracted? No. If your teacher is telling a joke, okay, will you get distracted? If he is telling his life story or something, will you get distracted? I bet never. You will remember even now the stories of teachers, but you don't remember what the teachers taught you. You know why? You were interested in their stories, but you were not interested in what they were teaching. So, get interested. Why should I be interested in physics? There are many reasons to be interested, and there are billions of reasons to get distracted. The main reason why I should get interested in physics is I want to become a scientist. I am not a fool, I am a genius. I am not stupid, I am a genius. I am smart, I am intelligent. I am capable of understanding difficult things. It is possible for me to learn difficult things. I can decode it. I can use function thing. It's nothing but divide and rule. If you are a computer scientist, you must know that you use functions while writing a code. What is a function? It divides the problem into chunks and you solve one problem at a time. Okay? So just go for one answer. Not for the whole lesson, not for the whole portion. Only for one chapter. From one chapter, only one unit. From one unit, only one topic. From one topic, only one paragraph. From one paragraph, only one line. Start from a line, go to the paragraph. When you complete the paragraph, go to the page. When you go to the page, go for the unit. Okay? Repeat. Understand, repeat. Some things are new for you. You did not learn A to Z in a single day. You had to repeat it for 1 year, I suppose. And after few years also, you were facing problems. Many of the genius students were used to face problem in B and D. Okay? C is on the right side or the left side. This is B or this is D. Capital letter, small letter. Right? 9 you might have right oppositely. Okay? So it's not tough, it's not impossible. It takes time. Okay? Just divide the problem, work on the problem. You will solve the problem. It's not impossible. People say it's not rocket science, you can do it. I say, even if it is rocket science, people have done it in the past, you can do it now. People will do great things in the future. Do you believe that there will be flying cars? Space travel will be easy. There will be time machines. I don't know about you, but I'm looking forward to a future like that. Teleportation. I don't want to work all day, but I would love to teleport myself. Okay? So, there will be new things in the future. But for those new things in the future, you have to work on the present. Okay? You have to focus. Focus is compulsory. If you can't focus, it's impossible. The only way to make it possible is to focus. How will you get that damn focus for a long time? You have to be passionate. How will you get passionate? You have to gain interest. If you are doing tough work and you are interested about it, then you will love it. That's passion. Interest plus love is equal plus hard work is equal to passion. Lack of interest plus pressure plus hard work is equal to stress. So if you want to be stressful about something, it's easy. Just remove love and love from the equation, change it, you will start hating it. Then you will not be remove the interest and you will end up in stress. There are only two ways, be passionate or be stressful. Okay, in the end you have to do. It also depends upon the time, but if you want to become a great leader, you should know how to handle stress and convert stress into passion. That is a way how great leaders convert their big dreams into action. They put their big dreams into action, and with that massive action, they get results. If you also want to get great results, you have to be passionate. So, you know the formula for passion? Do you think Steve Jobs was tired about building Apple? He was stressful? I bet never. You could go and ask Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, even Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk. They were never stressful. They were passionate. They don't care how many times they fail. You might fail many times, but I say make millions of failures and learn from them to gain billions of success. It's actually like I made millions of dollars of mistakes and I learned from them to create billions of dollars of business, said by Jeff Bezos himself. So, if you want to be successful, you have to learn from your failures. You will lose millions in that, but if you learn from your failures, you will gain billions. Okay? So, physics is not tough. I love physics. I love physics. I am smart enough to learn physics. I can do it. I am interested enough. I am a scientist. I can do it. I am not stupid, but I am genius. I am having a brain. So I will learn physics. I will gain confidence in physics and slowly improving 1% every day. Someday I will make new discoveries in physics also. But physics doesn't scare me. Physics excites me. I am excited about physics because physics is challenging, not boring. Physics gives my mind enthusiasm. That's why I love physics. And I will score superb in physics.